Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off subtitles or closed captions on YouTube. It's easier than you think. Alright, grab your phone or tablet and open the YouTube app. Got it? Then pick a video, any video that you like, or even this one. Once the video starts playing, pause it for a second. Look up to the top right corner, see a gear-like icon? Yup, tap on it. That's your quick settings menu. Now tap on the captions from the menu that pops up. If subtitles are on, you will see the active language like English auto-generated at the bottom of the screen. Turn them off, simply select off and voila, no more subtitles. And that's how you can turn off subtitles or closed captions on YouTube. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.